We're going to do some examples of calculating the mode. The mode is just a way of measuring the central tendency by finding the value that occurs most often. So you can kind of think about mode sound like most. The great thing about the mode is you can find it for categorical data. So for example, for our eye color data set, the mode would be the value that occurs most often. If we look at our various eye colors, it immediately should pop out to you that brown seems to be the one that is most common in this specific data set. And from our previous frequency table and the highlights that I just made, we can see that brown occurs most frequently. So that means that the mode is the brown eye color. When you have quantitative data instead of categorical or qualitative data, the mode is the most frequently occurring number. So if we look at this table of values, there's only one number that repeats twice, that is the number 7. So the mode for this numerical example is 7. Those are two quick examples of finding the mode for data sets.